Alright guys, as you can see, I'm outside. We're going to do a back and bicep day, so we're going to do a pull day. Still, got to get those gains going. I've got some weights here. You can also substitute anything you have at home to do those same replicated moves that I'm going to do for your back and for your biceps. So let's get into it right now. Alright, first workout we're going to do bent over row. I'll show you two different ways. First we're going to do it with this barbell. Come here, overhand grip. Come here, feet about shoulder width apart. Come up, squeezing those shoulder blades together. The second way to do that, also grab one weight. You have laundry detergent, paint can. Come here, opposite foot, opposite arm. Gonna bring them up one at a time. So I'm gonna do 6 on each side here. I step down, I'm gonna rotate, switching sides, again, opposite arm, opposite leg. And have the other arm on that knee to help balance yourself. So I want you to do full extensions. So I want you to go all the way down, all the way up, squeeze those shoulder blades. Next workout we got is hammer curls. So we're gonna grab our weights, bring them up, we're gonna keep them in this nice neutral position, facing the body. We're gonna bring them up so the arms hit a 90-degree angle. We're gonna come all the way up, focusing on those biceps. So we're gonna get a nice squeeze. We're gonna get up to the top. What you doing, baby girl? There we go. Big squeeze, only come to the 90-degree. We don't wanna bring it all the way up, because then we'll start to force it. We really wanna come 90 degrees. Have weights, you got some dumbbells, do some light dumbbells, use a resistance band as well, or if you have, again, some paint cans, or if you have some soup cans in the kitchen, any extra weight is going to help. Alright, so next workout we have is going to be a lying row. So I got my towel, we're going to use that as our resistance. So we'll come down, lay on our stomach. We'll come here. We're going to have our legs up and extended, arms out. Bring it back up. Bring it back down. Oh, what's up, baby? Squeeze those shoulder blades every time. Look out, girl. Big squeeze. Alright, next workout we got is Zotman curls. So what we're gonna do, gonna bring the bicep curl up regular here, but when we get up to the top, we're gonna switch, bring it down. So we come up to the top, we're gonna come back down and reverse that curl. Again, you can use your soup cans for this one. Making sure you squeeze. Focus on working on those biceps that entire time. Big squeeze at the top, twist, do the reverse curl, come down, come back, switch it up. Got 2 more. Good work. Alright, next we're going to do Superman. So, similar to what we did with those lying rows, we're going to come down, laying on our stomach. Come down here. And instead of doing that row, we're going to put our arms out. Bring up. We're going to hold 2 seconds at the top. 1, 2. Release. 1, 2. There you go. You gotta bring the arms and hands up at the same time. Try to emulate like with Superman. Got 3 more. Last one. Next workout we got 21s. So what 21 is, we're gonna do bicep curls with this. So we're gonna do 7 from the bottom halfway up. And when we're done with that 7, start halfway here, bring it all the way up, back to halfway, back to 90-degree angle. And then once you've done 7 of those, go all the way to the bottom, all the way to the top, 7 of those. So here we go, this is what it looked like with the weight. So we'll come bottom halfway up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From the 7 go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're done with that. All the way to the bottom, all the way to the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Making sure it's controlled the entire time. One more. Boom. All right, moving on. We're going to do underhand grip rows. We did the overhand earlier, first workout, but we're going to do underhand this time. Underhand is going to do a little bit more focusing on those lats for you. So we'll come here, palms going to be facing away from you. Come down here, feet shoulder apart. Soft bend in the knee, bend over, flat back. Bring it up again. Still going to squeeze those shoulder blades though. Remember, all the way down, all the way up. Again, you can have your dumbbells the same way. So have an underhand grip, have that soup can, and also have a book bag, workout bag, whatever you have. It's going to give you that replication. Having an underhand, have a workout bag, same thing. You're going to bring it up, squeeze those shoulder blades. Now guys, that'll end our workout for today. You guys killed it, as always. If you enjoyed that, share with your friends, like, share, tag me when you do the workout.